Hello friends, my name is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today I am going to show you how to clean C drive in Windows 10 without formatting. So keep watching because in this video I will show you each and everything step by step, so you will learn easy steps. And friend, if you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel because I am uploading this type of tutorials every week. So let's see how we can clear C drive. So friend, first of all we are going to open temp section. So what you will do, simply press your window key and then press R. So you will get this option. Here type temp. So you will get this option. Just click on this continue and you will get this temp files. Select all, then shift delete and you will get this option. Just click on this yes and click on this do this for all current items and then click on this continue. Then select this checkbox and skip. By this option all the temp files will delete from the system. So this is the first step, and now I'm going to show you some other thing. Again here type percentage TMP then percentage and then enter. So you will get these options. Select all and delete. Click on this check mark and skip. Then close, and now again press window key then R and type prefetch. Then you will get this option. Select all, same option, delete and skip. So friend, this is the option where you can easily remove your temp files from the system and it will release some space in your C drive. So here I'm going to type C drive on computer. Then what you will do, simply right click, then click on this properties, and now here you can see this disk clean. So it will also help you to remove temp files, and here select other thing, like you can see downloads, temp files, and you can see the amount of 313 MB. Just simply do and click OK. So you can see this option. Now then click on this tools and then click on this optimize. So it will easily optimize your C drive, indexing all the files, which will give you the facility to improve your system. So here you can do this very easily. So now I'm going to show you the another method. Here you can just open your control panel and type add and remove programs. Click over here and here you can see lots of programs are available. Which programs you are not using, simply remove that program and that will give you some space into your C drive. So it will also help you to remove unwanted files from your C drive. So uninstall unwanted programs from your computer, so that will help you. These steps you can easily remove unwanted files and clean your C drive very safely without using any software. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on this like button and subscribe our YouTube channel, because I am uploading this type of tutorials. And here I hope you learn how to clean your C drive without using any software or third-party software. Here you can follow these steps and you can remove unwanted temp files from your system. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.